Hello everyone. Today in this video we will learn about the life of people living in Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and the northern part of West Bengal. Himachal Pradesh. This beautiful state is located in the lap of Himalayas. The capital of Himachal Pradesh is Shimla, which is also an important tourist place. Ravi, Byas and Satluj are some important rivers of the state. Pahari and Hindi are the main languages spoken in Himachal Pradesh. Dussehra is the main festival which is celebrated in this region. People generally wear long kurtas and pajamas. Women wear a special scarf called dazu. Men wear embroidered caps. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people living in Himachal Pradesh. They grow rice, maize, barley, potato, plums, apricots and peaches. There are many famous hill stations like Dalhousie, Kasauli and Dharamshala. Along with this, valleys are also there like Kangra, Kullu and Manali. Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand was carved out of the state of Uttar Pradesh in 2000. The capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun. Uttarakhand consists of two important regions, Garhwal and Kumaon. Alaknanda, Ganga and Yamuna are some major rivers that flow through the state. Agriculture is the main occupation of people here. The main languages which are spoken in the state are Garhwali and Hindi. Dussehra is the main festival of the state. Kumbh Mela is a fair that is held every 12 years at Haridwar, which is an important religious place of the Hindus. The important places of pilgrimage of the Hindus are Gangotri, Badrinath and Kedarnath. Mussoorie and Nainital are some famous hill stations located here. Sikkim. Sikkim is located in the eastern Himalayas. The capital of Sikkim is Gangtok, which is also a very famous hill station. Teesta River flows through the state, and the third highest mountain peak of the world, that is Kanchenjunga, is also located in Sikkim. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people here. They grow rice, maize, barley, cardamom and potato. The main languages which are spoken in Sikkim are Bhutia, Lepcha, and Nepali. The people of Sikkim wear a long skirt called Baku. The main festivals which are celebrated here are Losar and Sagadawa. And the mask dance is one of the folk dances of Sikkim. The northern part of West Bengal. Darjeeling is a very popular hill station located in the northern part of West Bengal. It is a hilly area which is quite famous for its tea gardens. These tea gardens on the slopes of hills produce high quality tea.